Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the different categories in the Themify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the catalog button at the bottom of the page. And at the top of the page, if you scroll on the left side, then you will be able to see all the different categories that you can browse in. So for example, if you're interested in icons, then just click on that button. And then you will be able to see all the different available options for them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.